Freshwater turtles are reptiles, like snakes, crocodilians and lizards. Like other reptiles, they are ectothermic, or cold-blooded, meaning that their internal temperature matches that of their surroundings. They also have a scaly skin, enabling them, as opposed to most amphibians, to live outside of water. Also, like many reptile species, turtles lay eggs. They are oviparous, but what makes them different to other reptiles is that turtles have a shell. This shell, composed of a carapace in the back and a plastron on the belly, is made of bony plates. These bones are covered by horny scutes made of keratin, like human fingernails, or leathery skin, depending on the species. All Canadian freshwater turtles can retreat in their shells and hide their entire body except the common snapping turtle, Chelydra serpentina. This shell is considered perhaps the most efficient form of armor in the animal kingdom, as adult turtles are very likely to survive from one year to the next. Indeed, turtles have an impressively long life for such small animals. For example, the Blanding's turtle, Amidoidea blandingi, can live for more than 70 years. Most other species can live for more than 20 years.
There are about 320 species of turtles throughout the world, inhabiting a great variety of terrestrial, freshwater and marine ecosystems on every continent except Antarctica and its waters. In Canada, 8 native species of freshwater turtles and 4 species of marine turtles can be observed. Another species, the Pacific pond turtle Chlemys marmorata, is now extirpated, having disappeared from its Canadian range. Also, the eastern box turtle Terrapin carolina has either such a small population that it is nearly extirpated, or the few individuals found in Canada are actually pets released in the wild. More research is needed to know if these turtles are still native individuals. Finally, the red-eared slider Trachomys scripta elegans has been introduced to Canada as released pets and, thus, is not a native species. Blanding's turtle. Our freshwater turtles come in a variety of shapes, colors and sizes. In some species, adult males are smaller than adult females, or the reverse, but most species show very little sexual dimorphism, so males and females are almost identical. Typically, freshwater turtles are smaller than their marine counterparts and their looks are more varied. They have adapted and are specialized to live in a great variety of habitats, and so can look quite different from one species to the next. 2 of our most distinctive-looking turtles are probably the common snapping turtle, and the spiny softshell Trionyx spiniferus. While these 2 species are the largest freshwater turtles in Canada, they have very different looks. The softshell is primarily aquatic, making its flat, soft shell necessary for hiding in the mud at the bottom of the water. Also, its long neck and pointy snout makes it easier to breathe while staying almost completely underwater. The prehistoric-looking snapping turtle is also mostly aquatic, but the fact that it cannot withdraw in its shell in its diet has given this species a long neck and very strong jaw to defend itself and forage.
If you like the video, please click like and subscribe.